Meaning of health.
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 Health. Health refers to a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. It encompasses a holistic approach to wellness that includes maintaining a balanced diet, engaging in regular exercise, getting enough sleep, managing stress, and avoiding harmful substances. Good health allows individuals to function at their best, both physically and mentally, and to enjoy life to the fullest. It is a valuable asset that should be prioritized and maintained through proactive measures aimed at promoting overall well-being and preventing illness.